Oh yes, guys. This is it. First ride on the beast of 2022. I've been anticipating its return for ages, and it's finally back in Northern Ireland. Only at Curry's Fun Park Portrush.
How are you going to swing?
Josh! How big Josh?
Woo!
Josh, here's your name. Josh,
There we go.
Wait! Woo! Time to unleash the beast! Whoa! Higher! Take it to the top! Oh, here we go! This is it! To the top, lads! It's Northern Ireland's top sensation! Woo! Whoa! 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 It's thunder! Oh, here we go, spin! Whoa! No, this is a beating channel! Right two! Come on! Let's go for right two! Oh, here we go! Let's rock the bodies to the top! And it made it. Over the best rides. I'm saying that's the best ride in Northern Ireland. There's us. Never feels to disappoint.